5 Best Handheld Vacuums. Here is the product number 5. PUPPYOO Cordless Handheld Home Vacuum Cleaner. Brand name, PUPPYOO. Product type, handheld vacuums. Remote control, no. Voltage, V, 100 to 240 volts. Certification, GS. Dust storage type, cyclone dust bucket, dust box. Bag or bagless, bagless. Cord length, M, wireless. Here is the product number 4. PUPPYOO Low Noise Home Rod Vacuum Cleaner Handheld. Brand name, PUPPYOO. Function, dry. Power, W, 500 to 999 watts. Voltage, V, 220 to 240 volts. Type, cyclone. Certification, S. Installation, handheld. Dust storage type, dust box, dust bucket. Special suction nozzle, flat suction nozzle. Here is the product number 3. Car Vacuum Cleaner 12 volts 120 watts portable handheld. Wet and dry amphibious car vacuum cleaner, DC 12 volt used directly from the car lighter socket. The power cord of this handheld auto vacuum cleaner is 5 meters/16 feet. You can clean all parts of the car. 120 watts super power handheld automotive vehicle vacuum is an ideal tool to clean cigarette ash, cookie crumbs, dog hair, pebbles, grass, deer, etc. Here is the product number 2. Home Aspirator Handheld Vacuum Catcher WP3006. Brand name, PUPPYOO. Installation, raw type. Power, W, 800 watts. Commodity type, household cleaning. Timing reservation, no. Special suction nozzle, flat suction nozzle. Virtual wall, no. LCD, no. Cord length, M, about 5 meters. Here is the product number 1. Car Vacuum Cleaner 120 watts portable handheld vacuum cleaner. Quality assurance, our car vacuum will be tested pre-delivery, turbine pressure machine, power stability and never weaken, double air outlet grade heat dissipation function, longer working life less material consumption. Dual use handheld vacuum, wet and dry amphibious car vacuum cleaner, DC 12 volt used directly from the car lighter socket. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.